I'm going to go over ILAG, Intelligent Living Application Group. A viewer that's in this band is interested in this stock. I'm not sure if it's pronounced macaron or macaroon after party, but they are on YouTube, so check it out, some great music. Now, the company engages in the manufacturing and selling of mechanical lock sets. I'm going to show you the RSI and the MACD in just a moment, but first to the numbers. It ended the day at $3.10. It is up a whopping 37.78%. When I tracked it earlier in the day, it was much higher than that. Now, the day's range is $3.02. The high is $4.38. Volume much higher than normal with 106.994 million shares traded. We typically see 6.7 million shares traded. Now, if you want to see the breakdown of this stock, check out stockanalysis.com and then punch in ILAG. And then you can check out the overview, the financials, the stats. It does not pay a dividend, and then you can check out the profile as well of the company. Now on tradingview.com, because the stock is so new, they don't have many details for you, so forget that. All right, let me close that out. Now on tipranks.com and on stockanalysis.com, because the stock is so new as well, there are no analyst forecasts. So this video might be pretty short, but we ended the day right here. And as you can see, this stock came out hot and heavy. It debuted on July 11th and went all the way up to $26.42 before it fell down back to reality here. And let me show you the RSI and the MACD. On the weekly, because the stock is so new again, it does not have any history for us to take a look at. So let's go ahead and take a look at this on the daily time frame and see what it shows. And again, you can see where it's squeezed right here. That is incredible. And people took their profits and they ran. The stock tanked after that and then started to climb its way back up. Now, to give you some levels, let me make this a little bit bigger. To the upside on the daily time frame, 474 at 2 standard deviations at 3, 603, and another target level to the upside is 736. To the downside, at the median or the middle of the trend right here would be 211. To the south side of that, negative 46 cents. And obviously you can mark it out and use the crosshairs as target levels for you as well. One target level, well, from where we are would be $2.49, $2, $1.49, 97, 44, negative 1 cent, and you get the drift. All right, let's go ahead and show you one other thing, which is the fixed range volume. Let's put it here and to here. So a lot of people bought in at 375, volume higher right here. This is the POC, the point of control, at 375. And obviously it ran up to 438. So if you cashed out, you made some money off of that. Let's take a look at this on the RSI. I was going to say the daily. We are on the daily. The RSI has not registered as well, nor the MACD. But I do want to show you one other thing on here. Oops, it's this one. The drop. That is to the downside 87% here. And because the stock is so new, if you made money and you cashed out, congratulations, because it is so new. There's no history of this stock, no long-term history of the stock. I'd be scared to kind of stay in, unless of course you're getting it down here and you're going long and you don't care about your time frame. Let me go and take a look at this on the 3-minute time frame. We are in after hours trading right now at 325, but to the north side at the median is 381. At 2 standard deviations, we're at 461 and 501 and 542 on the 3-minute time frame. To the south side, we are at 302, 263, and 222. And just looking at this pattern right here, it looks perhaps like a U-shaped pattern is playing out, possibly, for those of you who like to play patterns. Could it be doing this? Possibly. Let me erase that. And let me go ahead and take a look at the RSI. We are right here at 54. No longer oversold. When we were oversold, that would have been right here at about $2.93. And then we were oversold in this zone, and price was at about in the range of 334, excuse me, kind of around there. But also, if you're looking at this, you can see that the stock hit almost support and started to bounce here. This is resistance, and it almost made it to 3 standard deviations and started to fall apart, went sideways, then down again, sideways, and then down again right here. So we, from support, started to run again. And obviously, this is a newer stock. We don't have a lot of history, very little financial. So just be careful if you're playing the stock. But again, congratulations if you made some money off of it today. Now, let me show you how the market ended. Microsoft down 0.96%, Apple down 2%, Nvidia up 2%. I did do a chart breakdown of this stock recently, so check that out. Google down 2.53%. The stock split happened. I was going to do a chart on that. Instead, I'm doing ILAG. And in the next couple of days, I'll break that chart down. But I thought it would go up, but clearly it went down. And Meta is up 1.5%. Disney up 0.53%. Amazon up a scotch, Tesla up just a little as well. Now, if there's a stock that you would like me to go over, please let me know. And to see my other stock charts, check out my other videos. And again, check out the band here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching.